Ngasidagi hauruka numini chupna pangthokhare impact of unregulated and uncontrolled application of chemical fertilizers and pesticides on soil fauna, human health, aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem 2025 ki International Conference ki thoram ama Palace Gate the Leba Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS the Hotokre Manipur International University na sindana pangthokiba thoram aduda Southern Federal University Rostov-on-Don Russia ki principal scientist Dr. Rasput Vishnu Dayal Manipur University and Manipur Technical University ki Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chan Babu Singh amadi Manipur International University ki Vice Chancellor in charge Professor Potsangbam Kumar Singh na mathang sitna chief guest ngapigani mathang sitna guest of honor chief guest amadi president oina saruk yaki thoram adugi makha chathara poina abstract book souvenir and home journals release tawki thoram adugi mari lingna Manipur University and Manipur Technical University ki Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chan Babu Singh na phongdorokpada lawmi singna makhoina puthoiba pothok sing asi malemda leiriba miyamgi piba ngamnaba tongan tongama fertilizer kya sisinei masina maram oiraga miyamda punsida akaiba pibada natana lawmi masadasu akaiba pi masi thoktana lawmi singbo awareness piba darkar oi haina phongdoki.
Okay, they need to produce more and more quantity by using the limited available space and land. For that purpose, they always look for fertilizers. Now, the impact of this fertilizer, the impact of this pesticide to the human population, to the farmer himself or herself, who is going to give this awareness?